Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, so let's do it, and now let's find security and location. Here we've got the fingerprint option, so simply tap on it, and here we've got the very first stage of adding the fingerprint to this device, and now you've got the info that you will be able to unlock your device with the fingerprint, but you will be also able to authorize the purchases or sign into apps. So let's tap on next. Here we have to add an additional screen lock, and you can choose the pattern, pin or password. It is in order that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will be still able to unlock your device and to get into your data, because if not, if you won't be able to unlock your phone, then you will have to go to the through the hard reset operation, and you will have to erase all the data, and the hard reset operation is reversible. So you know, just make sure that you will remember the pattern, pin or password, whatever you will choose. So simply tap on the option you'd like to use. I will pick the pattern, so I'm tapping on it. Here we've got the secure startup option, and it means that after turning off your device completely and then turning it on, your device will require the pattern or the pin. So it's up to you if you'd like to activate that. If yes, just tap on yes. If no, obviously tap on no. Here we have to draw the pattern, in my case, of course. Let's tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here we've got the notifications options, and here you can decide what kind of notifications will be shown on the locked screen. So you can show all the notification content, hide sensitive content, or don't show notifications at all. It's really up to you which option you like to use. Just make sure that it will be marked. So let's say I want to show all the notification content. It is marked, so I can tap on done. Now we have to touch the sensor, and let me show it to you. The sensor is located right here on the back of our device. So let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. Okay, and as you can see, we just added our fingerprint to this device. Of course, we can add another. If not, just tap on done. Here we are in the security and location, and here we've got the info that one fingerprint has been set up. So we can freely tap on it, and let's check it. As you can see, this is the finger we just added. You can remove it by tapping on the trash bin icon, and you can rename it. Just tap on it, and here you can rename it, and it's a very cool option if you've got a lot of fingerprints added, because then you can recognize them. So actually that's all, and that's, let's say, all customization of the fingerprint. So now let's check if it is working. So let's lock our device, and let me put my finger on the sensor. Oops. And as you can see, the phone is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. Of course, we can unblock it the second way, by the pattern, pin or password you just set. So you have to swipe and then enter the pattern. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.